everybody, welcome to Remo. Remo is a remote interview assist. So before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves.
Hello everyone, I am Supriya from VNR VJIT, Hyderabad doing BTech second year CSE.
Hello everyone, I am Mansi. I am a BTech second year CSE student from Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women.
Hi everybody, I am Namya LG, pursuing my BE in Computer Science and Engineering from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore.
Now let's talk about the features that we provide. We provide everything you need to conduct a remote interview. We provide a virtual environment so that you can easily code in front of the interviewer. Also, we provide a chat option so that you can send links and documents via chat. Also, we provide an access to GitHub profile of the interviewee so that you don't have to change tabs to look for the GitHub profile. And the last but not the least, we have an audio-video interface so that you can have a video conference with the interviewee.
Let's check out the contact page now. We provide a contact page via which our customers can contact us and talk about further deals with our app.
So let's have a quick demo and explore how our website works. So for this demonstration, I will be the interviewer and I would like to schedule an interview with my interviewee, Mansi. So on filling the form, I receive an email confirmation and so does my interviewee. Well, looks like it's time for my interview. Let me join the meeting. As I scheduled the interview earlier, I have received an email confirmation of the same and a unique key which I and my interviewee have access to.
Looks like it's the time for my interview. I got a unique key to enter the interview room as an interviewee. Let's go there. So here I am in the interview room. It says you have to enter the full screen mode to continue using the meeting features. And if I escape out of the meeting, the interviewer would be notified. So I think I have to go in the full screen mode now.
Hello, Mansi.
Hi, Namya.
So I think it's time to begin our interview then.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with a simple question. So can you explain what an array is to me?
Yeah, sure. Can I use the whiteboard?
Sure.
Okay. So we can store data of similar data type elements in an array, and they are stored in continuous memory locations. So it's like this. This is an array, an integer array.
Okay, this is a good explanation. Now, so can you write a program to convert the following array into this? So can you please write a program to do so?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Let's use the lab.
Yep.
Show it to you there.
Yes.
I think, wait, yeah.
Yeah, you can use the terminal. So which would be your preferred language?
Should I code in Python?
You go ahead. Yeah.
Just give me I will reverse it.
So this was the sample that we used there. So yeah, please reverse the same. Well, that was a good job.
This is it.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So now I would like to look at your projects on GitHub. So can you please share your username?
Yeah. Okay. I will send it to you on the chat.
Yeah.
Did you get the chat?
Yes, I will use it now. Well, looks like you have a lot of repositories. So would you like to explain your repository on ship attack? That looks interesting.
Okay. I will explain the project. So what I have done in this project, it is actually a Unity project.
Okay.
And what I have done here is I have written some C# scripts for a game, Ship Attack, in which it is a game like if you go in assets, there are some C# files, and you will see there that I have made something like you can shoot something and someone can shoot you also. And then when you shoot a person, a coding question appears, and then you have to solve it.
Whoa, that looks interesting. Okay, so that was it for the interview. That was
So looks like my interview is complete, and I really enjoyed the interview. So let's give it some good feedback.